Hello, welcome to the Bristal Enterprises. We manufacture and export the optical dispensing tools and export all over the world. Today I am going to introduce the two type of the tools which are used to replace the push-in nose pad. Sometimes you have to change the pair of the push-in nose pads. First, I would like to introduce the tweezer. The tweezer is used to pop out the nose pads. On the same time, I would like to introduce the plier. The plier is also used to pop out the nose pads. Plier is more powerful than the tweezer. I would like to give you the demonstration that how it works. So this is the prong of the plier. Just you will have to put the prong into the neath of the nose pad, and then very gently, very nice, you have to give a little pressure like this, and that's it, your job is done. On the other hand, I would like to give you the demonstration of the tweezers. Same, you can see that there is the prong of the tweezer. Just you will have to put the prong into in the under the neath of the nose pad orb, and then you will have to give a little pressure like it, so your job is done. So these are the very beautiful tools, and this is very functional, very nice, and but it's a little bit low price. This plier is fantastic. You can give the pressure, a little pressure of the hand, and then you will pop out the push nose pad, and then your job is done. So these two pliers are very much effective, the tweezer as well as the plier, for the optical industry, for the optical labs, for the optical shops, for the quick replace the push-in nose pads. Thank you very much to watch the movie. Thanks.